I don't know why, but that looks sick next to the van. But you know your Allen key bit's sick, innit? When you can just leave the gun in there like that. I need to charge this bitch up, to be honest. That one felt beautiful. Oh, look at her flashing at me. She's like, come down. Don't die, you little slag. You got one more. Good girl. This is why I love Milwaukee, look. It's also my hammer. Oh, that thing's on there, babe. On there, babe. Let me put these on separately, babe. Oh yeah, look, there's the state of my man's bolt yesterday. Look at that. He loved his copper grease. Why you fucking put copper grease on the fucking... You dickhead, that's probably why I didn't weld, you cunt. But I love that. No, I don't really want to eat it too hard. There she goes. Here, make your own gasket, lad. Oh, look at the top of the cylinder. Wow. So it's gonna piss me off because it's gonna fucking be a bitch to clean all this off. Wait, why is the fucking arrow on the right side? Is that how these go? I've never done one of these gas like trials bikes before. Bruv, why does the rings look like it's fucking coming out? The fuck? That looks far weirder in my eyes. A little bit of scoring down there, nothing bad though. Oh, she's flat. That's quite bad. Yeah, that's fucked, bro. I can feel that. Put the home for it and see what she says after, bruv. But that is quite nasty, that is. Not the end of the world though, bruv. It's only that one spot too. Yeah, it's only that one spot. Do I pull this cylinder off quickly? Do I do it? Do I do it? 14, this is 13, never gonna be. Yeah, go on. Dogs, cover. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Stay there.
Later.
Why don't I stay there for any fucking day? Don't like that. Oh, they're all different sizes as well. That's fucking great, isn't it?
Later.
How many times are you not going to say goodbye to each other, you tramps? Oh, hold on. But it's nice to know they were like tight enough. Yeah, never in your life. I should go opposite, but the way they fucking are, it is what it is at this moment in time. Oh! Oh! Motherfucker! Rip my glass, motherfucker. See, it's just about understanding. That's all it is. Someone's been running this with the wrong fuel in it, I can tell you that for fucking sure. The top of that piston's detonated like a bitch. Whoever was riding this, if they had carried on, they'd have put a hole in that piston. Put a little hole in it. I don't know why I'm fucking fighting with my life. See, don't make life easy, doesn't it? Sometimes it's just about doing things properly. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, you fucking stuck it on as well, you twat. Well, that's fucking dumb, innit? I don't really want to hit the hospital, but I'm going to. Very gently. So easy coming. I think. Well, someone fucking smacked chisel in it there, look. Right in there. Hello, motherfucker. If you notice, I'm not hitting it hard, I'm just kind of like tapping it so it frees itself off a bit. This side where they've got it stuck. Now I'm giving it a fair old tap because that fucker's on there, bud. It's almost like they've bent the studs or something. There she goes. Why is that fucking cylinder like welded on there? Fuck it, yeah. Oh, these are the weirdest rings I've ever seen. Ugh. Thanks for that. Oh, that cylinder is pretty rough. We will get to that in a second. Well, yeah, the piston is explaining the life of the cylinder, I suppose. Poor old bike. Yeah, she's rough as old nails, but fucking hell. It's a massive piston though. This might be a 280, not a 250. I haven't checked, but I'm going to now. Oh, the crank's good, which is the main thing. Fucking shitting up my own move happens carb quickly. Maybe the base gasket was correct actually. It's fucked either way. Just overeat. Fuck me. Fucking hell. And it's nice to know they painted it and then put the fucking gaskets on and stuff. Fucking spastics. We literally had paint on the gasket. But yeah, it was blown there, it was blown there. That was me, I think, when I pulled the cylinder up. But that wasn't me. That was me. Nice. That was a sick shot as well. Straight in the tin, look at that. Oh, good lord. Good lord. I ain't even gonna home. Look, that's actually through the fucking plating and everything. Might have to overboard this, to be honest, bruv. Or throw this cylinder away. Bro, why is it not oxidised in the fucking crankcase? That's a first for me, but the crank's good. Something has been in there niggling away, bro. That's a bit fucked up. That one's a little bit chewed.